Hello, this is a quick video to show you a new feature we've created that will hopefully bring a lot of positive change to how we can communicate with each other, either us to you, you to us, or you internally with other EmpowerDB team users. Communicate with each other about parts of EmpowerDB. So let's say there's this report that you wanted either us or someone else to take a look at. Of course, you could copy the link up here in the browser URL. You could also go to the share icon and it creates this short link version for you here. So it's always done that. This little copy to clipboard button is new. Maybe that's helpful. And we've always been able to email that short link to other people. As of now, we can now select user groups to say email everybody in the advocacy user group. Let us know if you don't have user groups here. It's something we have to set up for you. Or you can email this link to individual users. Okay, so that was kind of mostly what's there already. But now what we can do is, let's say that you have one individual part of a page that you really want somebody to be focusing on. Like, this is the number that's way too high. We got somebody to take a look at this. So what we can do is we can mouse over that share icon and select highlight page point. And now see how wherever I put my mouse, it's kind of highlighting this in whatever colors these are. And so now if I click here on this cell, it's going to create a link that is specific to that cell. So this, I can copy this link now, open up a brand new window, and we'll pretend like somebody's received this link and they're going to this page, and boom, it takes you right to that thing on the page. Amazing. So hopefully this saves a lot of time and kind of how to direct people to look at what you want them to look at. And by people, perhaps we mean just EmpowerDB support. Okay, and so I just want to make sure you know that this feature works just the same on any part of the EmpowerDB, where you can say, you know, I really want to focus on this question on this client's record. Well, here's a link to look at. When we open that up, it will take you right to that field and say, hey, that's what I'm focusing on. And then just like on the short link drop down here, we can click email and send this to staff or individual staff or user groups. To send it to EmpowerDB support, you will need to copy it and send it to us in a support message. Because this is a brand new feature, it is possible that you might go to a link like this and a pop-up window will show up and say, we couldn't find exactly where on the page it was meant to be. We're keeping a log of when this happens, and it's so we can figure out when this happens, investigate it, and improve it. So bear with us as we work through those kinks. But as far as our testing has gone, it's gone really well. The feature seems to do great. And the last thing I just want to make sure you know is that whenever you send us a link, that does not mean that we can see the information in the page that you have sent. So here we can see names because this is a sample data, but when you send us links to your data, we can't see any of the confidential information that's there. It's all encrypted. And when we save this page point, it's not saving any like text or anything in there that's gonna save the confidential information that's on that page. Okay, I hope this feature is very useful to at least us communicating with each other, or if there's a way for you to use it internally, that'd be fantastic as well. Thanks so much.